stuck here. Oh, look at that. There's a nice part of having free stuff, a little truck. Free metal. Not sure what I'm gonna use this for, but can never have too many buckets. I would take this, but it's way too flimsy. Yeah. Free stuff. Hey, don't.
Oh.
All right.
Hey, man, you beat me to it.
Free stuff.
Huh?
Free stuff.
Yeah, I know, but you beat me to it.
No, you can have it. I don't want anything.
No, I was coming for the little thing with
Oh.
the wheel.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, man.
I'll give it to you here.
Oh, appreciate it.
Yeah, it's no problem. I got
Yeah.
I got a free bucket.
That's exactly what I mean.
I came for this, but it's a little too flimsy. And this, but you can always use those dollies for something.
Right, that's what I
You know?
I saw it.
So I got-
on that side.
I got a bucket. I'm good.
All right, I appreciate it.
You got it, my friend. Have a good one. Uh-oh. Come on. Uh-oh. Better not be stuck here. I gotta change that carburetor. Get out of here before the truck comes. He was cool. I seen it when I was coming this way. I actually didn't see that. I seen the rack. I can always use racks and shelves and whatnot, but the shelves are too flimsy for what I need. So I got a bucket out of it. That's the nice thing about having a little truck. You see shit that you really don't need at the side of the road, and you're a hoarder like me, you pick it up. But yeah, it is what it is. He was a cool dude. All right. See if we see anything else.